Sitting right on the white sands of Cancun's famous hotel zone, Emporio Cancun has quietly built a reputation as one of those reliable, mid-range resorts that delivers more than its 4-star rating suggests. Located at Boulevard Cucucan Kilometer 17, this beachfront property is owned by Hotels Emporio under Grupo Distra, and it has carved out a loyal following among families, couples, and travelers who want the Caribbean experience without paying top-tier prices. With strong scores across Booking, Expedia, and TripAdvisor, the hotel has clearly figured out the formula for keeping guests happy. So let's break down what this place actually offers, room by room, pool by pool, and plate by plate. The room selection at Emporio Cancun is wider than you might expect for a property of this size, which is great news for travelers with different needs and budgets. The entry-level option is the superior room, coming in at 25 square meters and sleeping up to 3 people. Guests can choose between 1 king bed or 2 double beds, and every superior room includes air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen TV with cable, a safety box, a coffee maker, and a balcony or terrace with a partial ocean or lagoon view. The bathroom has a shower, hairdryer, and the usual toiletries, and a minibar is available on request or at extra cost. It is a no-nonsense room that hits the basics nicely, especially for travelers who plan to spend most of their day on the beach or by the pool. Step up to the Deluxe ocean view and you get 30 square meters with a direct or panoramic ocean view, which honestly is the whole reason most people come to Cancun in the first place. The amenities mirror the superior room, but waking up to that turquoise Caribbean every morning is a different kind of magic. Families who need more space will gravitate toward the junior suite, which spans 45 square meters and sleeps 4, featuring a living area with a sofa bed, a kitchenette with a microwave and refrigerator, and a dining table for casual in-room meals. The top of the lineup is the master suite, 2 bedrooms at a generous 70 square meters, sleeping up to 6 guests in 2 separate bedrooms with a living room, kitchenette, 2 bathrooms, and a large terrace with an ocean view. For multi-generational trips or 2 families sharing, this layout is a smart pick that easily justifies its higher rate. Dining at Emporio Cancun is built around 3 restaurants and a couple of bars, each serving a different mood. The main venue is Q.A. Restaurant, an international buffet with Mexican specialties that runs breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Buffet quality often makes or breaks a resort, and Q.A. gets generally positive reviews for its variety, especially at breakfast, where one guest noted the huge selection even when the place was packed. It is the kind of restaurant where picky eaters and adventurous foodies can sit at the same table and both leave full. The Mexican specialties are a nice nod to the local culture, so even if you stick to the buffet, you can still get a taste of regional flavor without leaving the property. For something a little more focused, Baccali Trattoria handles the Italian side of the menu with a la carte pasta, pizza, and Mediterranean dishes served for dinner. Reservations are often required and can be tricky to grab during busy weeks, but guests who plan ahead tend to come away pleased. Then there is Sunset Grill, a casual outdoor spot near the pool and beach serving snacks, burgers, and grilled fare for those who do not want to put on real shoes between dips in the water. Drinks are handled by a pool bar during the day and a lobby bar in the evenings, both offering cocktails and light bites. The setup is not flashy or over the top, but it covers the main dining bases that most resort guests actually care about. Pools and beach are where Emporio Cancun really earns its keep, and the location alone is a huge selling point. The hotel sits on a stretch of beachfront in the hotel zone with a private beach area, plenty of loungers, and the kind of soft, powdery sand that makes Cancun an Instagram favorite. 3 outdoor pools give guests options depending on the vibe they want, including separate areas for families and adults. Anyone who has ever tried to relax next to a screaming pool full of kids will appreciate that thoughtful split, and anyone bringing kids will love that they have a dedicated space to play without getting glared at by sunbathers. There is also a kids' pool and splash area, which is a small thing that makes a huge difference for families with toddlers. Beach loungers and umbrellas are typically available, and the calmness of this part of the hotel zone makes wading and swimming pretty manageable for less confident swimmers. Water sports are available through external providers either on-site or just nearby, so guests who want to try paddleboarding, snorkeling, or jet skiing have easy access without needing to travel far. The combination of 3 pools plus direct beach access means you can switch between freshwater and saltwater all day, which is exactly the kind of variety that makes a tropical vacation feel worth the flight. Beyond lounging, Emporio Cancun keeps guests busy with a decent slate of activities. There is a fitness center for travelers who refuse to let vacation derail their gym routine, and the property includes a tennis or multi-use sports court for those who like a little friendly competition between beach naps. A game room with billiards and table tennis offers a nice rainy day backup or evening entertainment for older kids and teens. Karaoke and evening entertainment are scheduled on selected days, so depending on when you visit, you might catch a show, a themed night, or just hear someone bravely murdering a classic ballad over the speakers. The cultural side of things is mostly handled through proximity rather than on-site programming, but the hotel sits within walking distance of some of Cancun's most important historical landmarks. Guests who want to mix relaxation with a bit of learning can easily build a day around exploring the area's Mayan heritage. For travelers who prefer their workouts in the water, paddleboarding, kayaking, and snorkeling excursions can be arranged through nearby operators. Honestly, between the pools, the sports court, the game room, the gym, and the beach, it is hard to feel bored at Emporio Cancun unless you are actively trying. The spa and wellness offering is more modest than the mega resorts further down the strip, but it does the job for guests who want a little pampering. The on-site spa and wellness center offers massages and treatments, which are the cornerstones of any beachside relaxation routine. After a long day in the sun, nothing fixes sunburn-adjacent soreness quite like a proper massage, and the spa is conveniently located so you do not have to wander far. The treatment menu typically includes the classics, from Swedish and deep tissue massage to facials and body wraps, and bookings are best made early in your stay so you can grab the time slots you actually want. Wellness-minded travelers can also rely on the fitness center to keep their routine going, and the open spaces around the property are perfect for early morning beach walks or stretching with the sound of the waves in the background. While the hotel does not heavily advertise structured yoga classes, detox programs, or signature wellness retreats, the combination of beach, sun, sea air, and a proper massage often does more than any branded program could. For couples looking to unwind, booking a treatment as part of a romantic afternoon adds a nice touch to the trip. It is a low-key wellness experience rather than a destination spa, but it fits the casual rhythm of the resort. Because Emporio Cancun is family-friendly rather than adults only, kids are very much part of the picture, and the hotel puts real effort into keeping the younger guests entertained. There is a dedicated kids club where children can join supervised activities while parents grab a quiet hour by the pool or sneak away for a massage. A children's playground gives kids another outlet for energy, and the dedicated kids' pool and splash area means little ones get their own space to safely splash around. Reviews from families consistently call out how much their kids enjoyed the amenities, with one TripAdvisor guest specifically noting that her kids loved the activities. What makes this hotel work for families is that it does not feel like a theme park. The kids' areas are well integrated into the property without overwhelming the adult experience, so families with mixed-age groups can all enjoy themselves. Teenagers can hang out in the game room playing billiards or table tennis. Younger kids have the playground and splash pad, and parents can find their own quiet corner. Combined with the larger suite layouts and the kitchenette options in the junior suite and master suite, Emporio Cancun is genuinely set up for multi-day family vacations rather than just paying lip service to the family market. Location is one of the strongest aspects of Emporio Cancun, and the surrounding attractions add real value to a stay. Just 300 meters away is the Museo Maya de Cancun, an excellent cultural site that pairs well with the nearby El Rey Archaeological Zone, only about 1.5 kilometers from the hotel. These two stops give guests a meaningful glimpse into Mayan history without needing to book a long day tour. Playa Delfines, one of Cancun's most photographed public beaches with that iconic colorful sign, is about 2 kilometers away, and Playa Balinas sits roughly 3.5 kilometers down the road for those who want to explore more of the coastline. For shopping and entertainment, La Isla Shopping Village is about 6 kilometers away and packs in stores, restaurants, and even an aquarium under one roof. The interactive aquarium Cancun sits nearby at around 6.5 kilometers, perfect for a family afternoon. Thrill seekers and families with energetic kids can head to Ventura Park Cancun, about 8 kilometers away, for water slides and rides. The Cancun Center and Convention Area, along with the city's lively nightlife strip, is about 9.5 kilometers from the hotel, while downtown Cancun, also known as El Centro, is roughly 11 kilometers away for an authentic local feel. The international airport is about 15 kilometers away, making arrivals and departures pleasantly painless. Overall, Emporio Cancun delivers a solid mid-range Caribbean resort experience with very few major weak spots. Booking guests give it 8.1 out of 10 across more than 3,600 reviews. TripAdvisor rates it 4.5 out of 5 from over 6,500 reviews, and Expedia clocks in even higher at 8.8 out of 10. Across all platforms, guests consistently praise the staff, the cleanliness, the beachfront location, and the family-friendly amenities. Comments about friendly, attentive service show up over and over, with one TripAdvisor reviewer saying the staff made him feel like family, and another guest from Finland calling everything perfect. The weaker points are honest ones rather than deal-breakers. Some reviewers note that certain areas of the property feel a bit dated, and the furnishings in some rooms could use a refresh. Peak times can lead to crowded buffets and tough restaurant reservations, and check-in has occasionally taken longer than guests would prefer. The hotel is also not the best fit for travelers chasing a wild party scene, since nights here are more relaxed than rowdy. None of these issues are surprising for a 4-star resort at this price point, and they are far outweighed by what the hotel does well. What makes Emporio Cancun stand out is the combination of an unbeatable beachfront location in the hotel zone with genuinely warm service and surprisingly spacious room options. The Master Suite 2 bedrooms is a rare find at this price tier, making it a smart pick for families or groups who would otherwise need 2 rooms. The proximity to the Mayan Museum and El Rey Archaeological Zone is another unusual perk, blending cultural depth into a typical beach vacation. And the 3-pool layout with separate family and adult areas shows that the property actually thinks about how different guests want to spend their day. It is a hotel that understands its audience and delivers consistently. Business and event travelers are also covered, since Emporio Cancun includes a business center along with meeting rooms suitable for corporate gatherings, small conferences, and private events. While it is not primarily marketed as a convention hotel, the proximity to the Cancun Center makes it a workable base for attendees who want a quieter beachfront retreat at the end of their workday. Small weddings, family reunions, and incentive groups can also find a comfortable home here. The guest experience highlights at Emporio Cancun keep coming back to the same theme: people. Staff members are repeatedly singled out as friendly, attentive, and genuinely caring, which is the kind of thing no marketing budget can fake. Stories about long stays, food that exceeded expectations, and kids who did not want to leave the pool show up across every review platform. For a 4-star property in one of the world's most competitive beach destinations, Emporio Cancun proves that getting the basics right with a smile is sometimes more powerful than any flashy gimmick. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.